Eventually, the earth can't soak up anymore. And the grassland undergoes a radical change. Many plants would drown here, but grasses thrive. They grow so fast their leaves quickly rise above the water and into the sunlight. Here in southern Africa, water transforms one of the most remarkable grasslands on Earth, the Okavango. Every year, 5,000 square miles of grassland are flooded. For one pride of lions, this poses a major problem. There may be plenty of prey around, but lions struggle to run it down in water. The pride has 3-month-old cubs. They've never seen water before. If their mothers don't make a kill soon, the cubs might not survive the week. But fueled by the flood, the eruption of grass attracts new possible prey. Buffalo arrive in herds 2,000 strong. Powerful, aggressive, and united, they're the most dangerous animal a lion can face.